Third grade language lesson 25. So get your language books out. Actually, just wait to get them out. Let me go ahead and show you something. We are going to talk about changing or about making plural words out of words that end in Y. So in our first word, we have the word daisy. So to change a singular word into a plural word that ends with a consonant and then a Y, we are going to change our Y, to I and add ES. So daisy becomes daisies. But we have to remember something very important. We only change our Y to I if there is a consonant in front of the Y. Remember, a consonant is any letter but A, E, I, O, or U. So if we had the word monkey and we wanted to make monkey plural, is there a consonant in front of our Y? No, there is not. So to make monkey plural, we would just add a Y to the end to make monkeys. But when there is a consonant in front of our Y, we change our Y to I and add ES. Okay? So get your books out, your language books out, open them to page 27, put your name and date at the top. All right, so in our language, let's look at Think A. It says write the plural form of each noun. So the first word they have there is puppy. So we notice that the word puppy ends in a Y. The letter in front of puppy is a consonant, it's a P. So we will change our Y to I and add ES, puppies. Look at the word under puppy. Under puppy we have the word donkey. So our word ends in a Y. We look at the vowel, or we look at the letter in front of it. It is a vowel, so we will not change our Y to I. We will just add an S to the end of it. Donkeys. Look at the word family. In the word family, we look at the letter in front of our Y and it is a consonant. It is an L. So in this word, we will change our Y to I and add ES. Here's our Y to I and add ES. Families. Look at the next one, number 4. We have berry. In the word berry, what letter is in front of your Y? An R. And an R is a consonant. So you will change your Y to I and add ES. Berries. The next one is lady. To make lady plural, we notice lady ends in a Y. So we look at our letter in front of our Y, and it is a D, so it is a consonant. So we're going to, say it with me, change our Y to I and add ES. So do so. And then in section 6, we have the word ray. We're going to make it plural. Look at our letter in front of our Y, and it is an A. So that is a vowel. So we will just add S to the end of ray. We have a vowel, we just add S, rays. And that is how we would make ray plural. So look at Think B. It says complete each sentence by writing the plural form of the noun in parentheses. I went to 2 parties last week. Look at our word party. There's a consonant in front of our Y, so we're going to have to change our Y to I and add ES. So do that now. Last night, Samantha helped Grandma with the dishes. Very good. Remember last week we learned about if a word ends with an SH or an S or an X, we add, or a Z even, or a CH, we add ES to the end of the word to make it plural. So dish would be dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S. And then look at number 3. After we picked blueberries, Mom made a pie. So in the word blueberry, our letter in front of our Y is an R, so it is a consonant. So we will need to change our Y to I and add ES, blueberries. Number 4, can you help me find my keys? Asked Mrs. King. So look at your letter in front of your Y. It is a vowel. Do we change our Y to I if there's a vowel in front of our Y? No, we just add S to the end, keys. Number 5, Andrew and Stephen washed the windows at church. How do we make window plural? We just add an S to the end, windows. And number 6, Irene carried 2 trays of cookies to the table. So the word tray, it ends with a Y. What kind of letter is in front of our Y? Very good, it is a vowel, so we will just add S to our word. Look at Think C. Circle all the nouns in the paragraph. There are a lot of nouns, so whenever I stop and say who or what, whatever answers that question is going to be a noun, okay? So who? Very good, Clara. Circle it, it's a noun. Loves to visit who? Grandma. Very good. Circle it, it's a noun. The what? House. Circle it. Is such a fun what? Place. Circle it. There is a what? Hutch. Very good. Circle it. In the back what? Field. Very good. To what? Rabbits. Very good. Live in the what? Hutch. Very good. Who? Clara. Remember, anything you're answering to my what or who needs to be circled and is a noun. Saw 5 small what? Kittens. In the what? Shed. Once who? Grandma. Kept a what? Cow. Behind the what? House. Who? Grandma gave who? Clara what? Milk from the what? Cow. Who? Grandma makes the yummiest what? Rolls and what? Cookies. Who? Grandma reads what? Stories. Before who? Clara goes to what? Bed at what? Night. Who? Clara crawls under the warm what? Blankets and listens to who? Grandma. Who? Grandma loves who? Clara. And who? Clara loves who? Grandma. So every answer to the who's and what's should be circled because those are your nouns. They are people, places, or things. Okay? All right, so that is your language class for today.